Hi guys, my name is Kenneth. I'm here today. I need to show you how to create an EC2 instance. So I'm not gonna go through the process of creating the AWS account. So I'm just gonna get down to the to our project of creating the EC2 instance. So basically, what the EC2 instance is, it's a virtual machine that will be running on AWS cloud. So So you need to go to the EC2 instance portal. So you can find EC2 instances by just typing instance. Actually, I need to go to all services. Oh yeah, you can find it here. It's EC2. So you just need to click on there. So basically, this is just the dashboard of what's happening now. So I currently have the one instance is running. So I'm just gonna go to instances. So for you, if it's empty, so you will see there will be nothing here. So since mine have been running the instances, that's why you see there are items there. And then from here, you just click here to launch the instance. This is the instance that I already have. So you're gonna name your instances. This is just saying demo instance. Demo instance, and then from here you need to pick up the operating system. So we're just gonna go with the Amazon Linux. It's already selected by default, and then yeah, we're gonna select the free tier. But if you need to pick up something else, which I don't approve since we are doing the demo, so you need to pick up the free tier. And then here we're just gonna keep the settings, the default settings. So this is the instance type. So we are on T2 macro, which is a free tier. And then we're going to create a key pair that you will use to connect to your EC2 instance. Just give it a name, just say my key pair. And then you create. So if you're going to use the OpenSSH, you can use the PEM, or if you're going to use at the party, you can pick up the PPK, so you don't have to convert it to the PPK. So our PEM key has been downloaded. Security group. So by default, there's a security group, but if you want, you can create one. So I'm just gonna select the default security group that I already have. So this is the storage for our EC2 instance. We're just gonna keep it default, and then the rest we're just gonna ignore. We're going to launch our instance now. So to launch our instance, it takes few seconds, if not a minute. So you can see here our instance is on a pending state, so it should be done in few seconds. Okay, so now you can see our instance is running. So I'm gonna show you how to connect to your instance. So to connect to your instance, you just click here and choose connect. So this gives you option to connect through the browser, so you don't have to do anything like connecting with the party or MobXX or any SSH application that you can use. So you click connect. So our connection to our EC2 instances has failed. So we're just gonna refresh this. And then if it doesn't connect, then we need to go and check the security group settings. So we go into our security groups settings. You can just click here, or you can find security group here on the side. Network security group, you can find it here, or you can click here, but let's go here. Security, and let's find the security group. This is our security group, so let's see the posts that are open on this security group. It is the inbound. So as you can see here, there's no SSH port open. We're going to open that port, add rule, and then select HSS, which is port 22, and we're just gonna specify. We're not gonna specify. We're gonna allow any IP address to connect. Now let's go back to our EC2. Let's just click refresh and see if it's gonna connect. It should work now. Boom, here we are. We are on our EC2 instances. So this is a Linux instance. If you know Linux, you can start playing around. You can see pwd, pwd. So you can see we are under home EC2 user. So if you want to do sudo install the yum update, you can do that. You can see. So guys, that is how you create and connect your EC2 instances. So next time I'm gonna walk you through all the processes on how, because most of the features I didn't explain and we just pass. We just mostly use the default settings. So next time I'm gonna show you exactly or explain all the features that are there when you create the instance.